What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be talking about something good that a lot of people don't know about, and it is brake fluid. Look at that brake fluid up there. Why is it important to replace your brake fluid? And we're going to talk about that coming up right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Ryan, so thank you so much for joining. And for those of you who have always been here, thank you kindly for returning. Now, guys, today we are going to be talking about some brake fluid. Let me go and get mine over her. We got .3 brake fluid. They also have a few other dots, which is .4, .5, .3 and 4 together. But you will find, first of all, if you open your car's hood, you will find where your brake fluid goes, and you will see that it tells you what DOT to put in. .3, .4, .5, whatever it asks for, that's what you put in. So the reason why you want to change that brake fluid and check it often is because brake fluid is hygroscopic. For those of you who don't know what hygroscopic means, that means that brake fluid absorbs water. Okay, so when brake fluid absorbs water, the insides start rusting away. That's how people start getting hose failures. That's how people start getting sponginess. That's how, when water gets into the system, that causes a lot of problems. Okay, that's how people start getting holes in their brake lines and stuff like that. Even though it rots from the outside, it also rots from the inside as well because it's getting water and moisture into the system. Okay, so getting water into your brake fluid system is really bad. It causes a lot of issues, and actually I found a good article right here that I can read off that gives you the exact explanation, so I don't go fondling in my brain about what it does, because sometimes I can't get my thoughts straight. But here we go. It says right here that brake fluid over time goes bad. All fluids do. It absorbs water from the air, and this causes gunk like rust to build up, just like I told y'all. And water also has a lower boiling point than brake fluid. If you are braking really hard, the water might boil in the lines, carrying the brake fluid to the brake components. If that happens, you could lose your brakes and the pedal might flop to the floor and the car won't stop. So really, you're supposed to replace your brake fluid. In the owner's manual, it'll tell you when you should check them fluids and replace them as needed and bleed your brakes and stuff like that, because that brake fluid does absorb moisture from the air. When you leave the cap off, it's absorbing moisture from the air. It does go bad over time, guys. So it's very important to replace the brake fluid. When you have brake fluid in your cans up there, make sure the lid is back on and closed tight, because it will absorb the moisture, and then that fluid goes bad. You got to get some more. So really and truly, you got to replace them. Okay, you gotta bleed out the system, bleed the fluid out of the calipers, and so on and so forth, and replace it as it goes. And that will potentially save your lives from any issues later on. So guys, with that being said, in this really quick episode, I hope you learned something. I will leave the link to that article down below in the description for y'all. And if you guys want, I'll leave in the description brake fluid, what brake fluids I use, whatever is good for your car. I'll get each one, .3, .4, .5, whatever your car asks for, I'll put it in the description below. And with that being said, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber. And if you found something that you can take away and it'll be valuable to someone else, just share it to them. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all for the next one. Peace.